50 points for maximizing smartphone utilization, providing more detail and context. Explore all the pre-installed apps on your phone. Many phones come with useful apps you might overlook. Take time to discover their functionalities. Customize your home screen for quick access. Arrange your most frequently used apps on your home screen for one-tap access. Utilize widgets for at-a-glance information. Widgets provide real-time updates, weather, calendar, news, directly on your home screen. Organize apps into folders for better navigation. Group similar apps, social media, games, productivity, into folders to declutter your home screen and app drawer. Learn keyboard shortcuts for faster typing. Many keyboards offer shortcuts for copy-paste, selecting text, etc., speeding up your typing. Master voice commands for hands-free control. Use voice assistants, Google Assistant, Siri, to make calls, send texts, set reminders, and more, especially when driving or busy. Use cloud storage to free up phone space. Services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or iCloud allow you to store photos, videos, and files in the cloud, freeing up valuable space on your device. Back up your data regularly to avoid loss. Regularly back up your phone's data to prevent losing important information if your phone is lost, stolen, or damaged. Optimize battery settings for longer usage. Adjust settings like screen brightness, background app refresh, and location services to conserve battery life. Close unused apps to conserve battery life. While modern phones manage this well, closing resource-intensive apps you are not actively using can sometimes help. Adjust screen brightness for optimal viewing. Lower brightness in dimly lit environments and increase it in bright sunlight for comfortable viewing and battery saving. Use a screen protector to prevent scratches. A screen protector can shield your phone's screen from scratches and cracks. Explore accessibility features for enhanced usability. Features like voice control, text-to-speech, and magnification can make your phone easier to use if you have specific needs. Connect to Wi-Fi whenever possible to save data. Using Wi-Fi for internet access can save your mobile data allowance and often provides faster speeds. Utilize mobile hotspots when needed. Turn your phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot to share your mobile data connection with other devices like laptops or tablets. Download useful apps for productivity and entertainment. Explore the App Store for apps that can help you with work, learning, or leisure. Explore different camera modes for better photos. Experiment with panorama, portrait, slow motion, and other camera modes to capture different types of photos and videos. Learn basic photo editing on your phone. Use built-in or third-party photo editing apps to enhance your photos by adjusting brightness, contrast, cropping, and adding filters. Use your phone for navigation and exploration. Utilize GPS apps like Google Maps to navigate, find places, and explore new areas. Listen to podcasts and audiobooks on the go. Enjoy audio content while commuting, exercising, or doing chores. Stream music and videos for entertainment. Use streaming services like Spotify, YouTube Music, Netflix, or Amazon Prime Video for entertainment on your phone. Stay connected with friends and family through social media. Use social media apps to communicate, share updates, and stay in touch with loved ones. Use your phone for online banking and shopping. Many banks and retailers offer mobile apps for convenient banking and shopping. Manage your calendar and appointments effectively. Use calendar apps to schedule appointments, set reminders, and stay organized. Set reminders and alarms for important tasks. Use reminders and alarms to ensure you don't forget important tasks, appointments, or deadlines. Use your phone for note-taking and brainstorming. Use note-taking apps to jot down ideas, create lists, and organize information. Explore educational apps for learning on the move. Learn new skills, languages, or subjects with educational apps. Track your fitness goals with health apps. Use fitness apps to track your steps, workouts, and other health metrics. Utilize your phone for language translation. Use translation apps to translate text, speech, or even images in real time. Read ebooks and articles on your phone. Use e-reader apps to enjoy books and articles on your phone. Play games to relax and unwind. Mobile games can be a great way to relax and distress. Customize notification settings for important alerts. Prioritize notifications from important apps and contacts and silence less important ones. Use Do Not Disturb mode to avoid interruptions. Activate Do Not Disturb mode to silence calls and notifications when you need to focus or sleep. Secure your phone with a strong password or biometric lock. Protect your personal information with a strong password, PIN, pattern, or biometric lock, fingerprint, face unlock. Keep your phone software updated for optimal performance. Software updates often include bug fixes, security patches, and performance improvements. Clean your phone regularly to prevent dust buildup. Use a soft cloth to clean your phone's screen and ports. Use a phone case for added protection. A phone case can protect your phone from drops, bumps, and scratches. Explore different themes and wallpapers to personalize your phone. Customize the look of your phone with different themes, wallpapers, and icon packs. Use your phone as a remote control for other devices. Some phones can be used as remote controls for TVs, stereos, and other devices. Connect your phone to your car for hands-free driving. Use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay to access navigation, music, and communication features safely while driving. Use your phone for video conferencing and meetings. Use video conferencing apps to connect with colleagues, clients, or family members remotely. Explore augmented reality apps for immersive experiences. AR apps overlay digital information onto the real world, creating interactive and immersive experiences. Use your phone for scanning documents and QR codes. Use scanner apps to digitize documents and QR codes for quick access to information. Learn new tips and tricks to maximize your phone's capabilities. Stay up to date with new features and functionalities by reading tech blogs, watching tutorials, or exploring online forums. Share your knowledge with others. Help others get the most out of their smartphones by sharing tips and tricks. Teach someone a new phone feature. Help a friend or family member learn something new about their phone. Participate in online forums and communities. Engage in online discussions about smartphones and share your experiences. Stay informed about new app releases and updates. Keep an eye out for new and updated apps that can enhance your smartphone experience. Explore the full potential of your smartphone. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things to discover all the ways your smartphone can be useful. Get the most out of your mobile device. By maximizing your smartphone's features and functionalities, you can make your life easier, more productive, and more enjoyable.